channel. I'm sure they've appeared on, but I know them from Food Network. They're here at the Chef Throwdown. Last Friday, just at Water Street. Let's see who the winner is gonna be. This is amazing. So first of all, Mike, let me start with you. Okay, so tell me just briefly where you appeared on Food Network and where your restaurant you are chef at.
Sure. Okay, so I'm a chef at Border Grill inside Mandalay Bay. Best Mexican restaurant in Vegas, hands down. You got to come see us. But I've been on Food Network, Chef Wanted. I've been on a Camp Cutthroat Kitchen.
Oh,
you name it.
That show is crazy.
We're all over the place.
Now, did you win those?
Yes, I did.
Did you really?
I'm a champion.
Because Cutthroat, that show is crazy.
It is crazy.
I mean, you can't cook on no bobby pin. What's wrong with these people?
One time I was in the middle of the lake, like Karate Kid, having to make cookies.
I saw that.
No shit.
I saw that. Unbelievable. Okay. And then you, Steven, now tell me a little bit about you and your experience on Food Network or whatever.
I was on Food Network, Chefs for Cities. It's an old show. I also did Top Chef and a couple other chefs. America's Most Wanted, I think I'm most famous for.
Okay. I saw you on there, you crazy man, you. He got arrested for cooking his behind off, okay? Yes.
Damn.
So, okay, I'm just going to ask you, who's going to win this?
This guy's got it. He's got it. Depends on what you like.
Well, you know what,
we all win because we're here supporting Henderson.
That's right.
And this city is amazing, and so everybody out here, we're all winners here. We're doing this for publicity only and really just to have fun.
Yeah, because you're so selfish.
That's right.
No, they are the most selfless people. That's why they're here helping my friend Antonio Nunez out with his great event that he concepted. Yeah, this is just amazing. So much action going on out here. This is just one of the things. Over there, they're doing disco skating. We've got a skate costume. I mean, the music. These crazy guys. I can't believe I'm standing here with the Food Network stars. Yes, and we are, I want you to say in unison, straight out of Henderson. We are straight out of Henderson. All right. Thank you so much.
STK, we have Stephen Hopcraft, incredible chef from the Strip, doing some really great things. Border Grill is here. It's going to be a great night. It's going to be a great night. So, are you guys ready, chefs? 1, 2, 3. What do we got? All right. We got a whole duck, some pink prawns. Look at the size of those things. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Pink prawns, beautiful jumbo scallops. We've got some mixed vinegars, which are almond French, so good luck, chefs. And we have this incredible, noble, handcrafted, barrel-aged syrup in both their bags. Now, 3 ingredients out of this basket to make as many dishes you want in 45 minutes. However, one caveat. Both chefs must incorporate some popcorn into their dishes. Not each and every one, but perhaps just one. All right? So, 45 minutes, is that enough time?
An hour to make a minute right.
I think we've done more. I think we've done more in 45 minutes. Chefs, the countdown starts. Everybody help out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's battle!
Alright, let's go to the apple section. This is right. Alright, you want to try all 3 apples?
Check. Sorry guys, if you missed that. You actually got this recipe from Starbucks, was what he said. The pumpkin spice. A lot of action up here. A lot of action. Guys, if you guys haven't been over to Rod's Produce Market, go check out their stuff. Unbelievable. First of all, the display is ridiculous. But everything from their miniature eggplants to their Rosa Bianca eggplants, which is one of my favorites.
So that's how you cut a damn onion, huh?
Hang it out.
How's it going, Steven?
Very well. How are you?
I'm good.
Chef, there's a lot of citrus going in that in those scallops. Are we looking like maybe a raw fish or a little ceviche? Perhaps that's coming out. Chef, how we doing over here?
Why can't you give this guy some tortilla chips? I don't think that was fair.
You know what? There is now one tortilla up here on stage.
Oh.
Now for him. 1 minute, 20 seconds to go. 1 minute, 20 seconds go. Chef Nunez, get off the stage with those skates. 1 minute to go. Here it comes. That clock does go fast when you're up here working. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. We'll start at 20. All right, chefs, 20 seconds. Ready, guys? 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chef Battle! Look at these dishes. Look what these guys have done in just a matter of 45 minutes.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
I like it.
This is what the best of Vegas brings is some incredible food. Mandalay Bay, Border Grill, Cosmopolitan, STK. Go see these guys. Mancini, Las Vegas Revert Journal, food writer, has done great things for all of our restaurants here in Vegas. Thank you so much, John Mancini. Debbie Hall, editor-in-chief, Las Vegas Women, writer, CBS Local.
Oh, yeah.
Jason Harris, freelance food writer, David Magazine, stand-up comedian. Thank you guys so much for being here.
Big fan of the ceviche, lots of lime going on in there. Duck was nice, so citrus, got some good pop going. It's a nice battle here.
Yeah, it is. I couldn't agree more. The fact that we have to add popcorn to it, and it's amazing how the popcorn was incorporated, because I love popcorn on its own, but to be incorporated in these entrees and appetizers is amazing.
That was a curveball.
It is a curveball, but I'm going to tell you what my favorite is, but you see we're all scarfing it down.
Well, I mean, I think the thing about the popcorn that's really amazing is, you know, you're not really adding it that much for the taste. It's got a little bit of the corn taste, but it adds that crunch.
It does,
and
yes.
especially in something like ceviche, where, you know, you already have nice contrast. You have the contrast of the acid, you got a little bit of the hot pepper in there, you all that stuff going on. But normally in a ceviche, you're not crunching into anything.
No, you're not.
And then, you know, you've got the little, what is that, a radish in there?
There's a radish.
Yeah.
Radish.
Bitterness coming in from the radish, and the rainbow radish, and that adds a little bit of crunch. But really, the pop from the popcorn, I really want to start throwing popcorn into all my ceviche from now on. So.
I couldn't agree more.
Do you make a lot of ceviche that we don't know about?
I have made ceviche. It's not that hard. I don't have to play with fire.
Yeah,
So.
it's all raw.
Yeah.
I have to do the announcement because, of course, Antonio's worked with both of you. So he refuses to announce the winner this evening. So I do have to have some winner of the Grand Salami. And the judges have spoken. Everybody, grab the salami. Grab the salami. Grab that. One of you will be letting go of the salami. I'm so mad at you. And one of you is going to hold the salami for quite some time. So, which chef is it? Raise it up, guys. The judges have spoken. This evening's chef battle, and I'm talking about just this evening because these guys are absolutely fantastic. The winner of this the winner of tonight's chef battle goes to Stefan Hopcraft. I'll tell you what, incredible stuff. Chefs, both of you, unbelievable things you guys put out. 45 minutes, can you believe this? Everybody, big giant round of applause for both chefs. Let's give it up for Antonio Nunez, the reason we're here this evening.
It's wonderful. It's beautiful.
Hello, my name is Dawson Jarina.
And he just donated a painting to the last Friday just at Water Street, and a person bid on it, and he got what kind of bid? What did you win?
I believe 210.
Great job. Well, I saw you when you first started the picture, and I'm amazed that you finished it that fast. But thank you so much for being on Straight Outta Henderson. Hey, everybody, I'm here with Antonio Nunez, the co-founder of this amazing event. Antonio, you must be so proud with your pumpkin suit on and everything, looking all fly and pimpish. Anyway, tell us about your thrill about this event just going so well for the past 3 months.
We're just happy to see that people are showing up, the community's supporting community. It's rebuilding, and it's going to take infant steps, but we're getting there, and we've actually taken leaps and bounds, I think.
Absolutely.
Well, from the outside, it looks like leaps and bounds, and it looks done, but I know with you, it ain't done yet at all. And Tara, how has this been for you as a PR person? This must be phenomenal.
You know, this is one of the best PR gigs I've ever had in my life. It's a very grassroots effort, but anything Antonio touches is turned to gold, and I'm just so proud to be a part of this project.
I have a feeling Antonio's going to turn me to gold, too. I never thought I would get a chance to interview Food Network chefs. I watch it all the time. This has been such a thrill. Antonio, you are doing an amazing job, and your buddy over there is doing an amazing job, and thank you so much, and don't fall off these skates. Oliver, can you pan down and get the whole... Oh, we're partying over here at last Friday, just at Water Street. Don't miss it. And this is coming to you straight out.